Bye.
It's so hot.
I know. You say good morning to my friends.
Hi. Goodness, it takes a long time.
In yellow, be the person getting in front of you.
Bus is coming. Bye, Abigail. Just on the line. There's another bus driver. Okay. Bye. Hey guys, good morning guys, good morning everyone. Hey, good morning, how are you? How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. It's another day and Abigail is after school. Yep, I think the bus is coming now. The bus went to revise. Yeah, Abigail, bye bye. Okay guys, oh sorry for the interruption. I think my son was calling me. I have to end the video. I forgot what I was saying. Okay, let me greet you guys again. Let me start all over. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Okay guys, Abigail just left for school. Okay, the bus just left. Now I'm going for a walk. Then after a little walk, then I will go and do my jump rope for my fitness channel. Yes, Alessa is at home. I think she's taking a shower right now. Yes, she's taking a shower. She's getting ready for school also. Our bus will be coming in the next our bus normally come at 8:40. Right now it's 7 this is 7:35. Okay, she's getting ready at home. Let me go and do my workout. I'll see you guys later when I'm done with my workout. Okay, I just want to take a walk a little bit, then I have my jump rope with me. Then I will stay somewhere around the corner over there and do my jump rope. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Bye guys. Oh God. The school bus is running late. Waiting for Abigail. Guys. Oh my goodness. Hey guys. Okay, so far I'm cooking soup and stew together. Okay, the time now is 3:30. And Abigail's school bus is running late. Our school bus is finally here. Hey, welcome, girl. Oh, finally. The bus was running late, and the bus is here. Let's wait for her. She will walk down here. Mommy back home. Let me walk towards her. The camera. Look at her. They're coming. Oh, this sun is too much. It's too hot. Hey, Abigail. Abby. Look at my princess is back. Abby. Hey, how are you? Good. Let me carry your book back. Oh, it's so hot, honey. It's so hot. I can tell when you guys go and drink cold water. Hi, guys. Bye. Look at my princess. Why are you walking like that? Huh? How was school today? Good. Leave that. Leave that one's the wrong mail. They gave us the wrong mail.
Miss Tina said I should work more in math and rounding.
Rounding, okay.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Ah, get inside, get inside. It's more better inside. Wait. It's more better. Oh, look at. I know, right? It's so hot outside. Let me go through here.
Hungry.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
I have no water left.
Drink water. You thirsty? Yes. Yeah. I'm coming, okay? Just 1 minute. And the stew is ready. Yeah, you can. I have to cook. I'm boiling water for the spaghetti. Okay? Load that on there. Okay. What do you want? You want help? She's not doing her homework. Take that thing out. Let me wash Mommy urine. Okay. She want help. What do you want?
One on Monday night, Joanne finished reading the book about mountains. The mountain book was 93 pages long. How many pages did he read on Monday night? See day 1 for needed information. Show your thinking.
Okay. It said, which one?
He said on Monday night.
On Monday night, John finished reading the book about the mountains. The mountain book was 93 pages long. How many pages did he read on Monday night? See the one for related needed information. Okay. Okay, the one you done before. It said John is reading a book about mountain. He read 47 pages Saturday and 28 pages on Sunday. How many more pages did he read than read on Sunday than Monday? Now the question is
20. Is it 28?
Okay, on Monday he read 47 Saturday, then 28 he read Sunday. Then now here he said on Monday night Joan finished reading the book about the mountain. The mountain book was 93 pages long. How many pages did he read on Monday night? It's right there now. On Monday night, what did he read?
28 pages.
28 pages, yeah.
So Saturday and 20. Joanne is reading a book about mountains.
It's JSB on the swan again. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Who go make up for this day. Now those people therefore just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people therefore just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere but now so the storyline is me. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa still they answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. Now so it be. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. Now so the matter be. Every day back then when I stay there for Uselu. If I just walk on my home, people go just criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my silly pass, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me like say na bullet. But today, see, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's all the matter be. See today, I dey drive in my phantom, they just they shout. I hope I full level, the people begin just to scream. I build my house, I marry my wife, they see the shadow. They say they no believe, say now that boy be this again. JSB from Muselu don't turn to big man. Now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they jama. And when I bust in the street with my car, them just they alarm my name. See friends, oh. People will not like me before, they always they call my phone now. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Okay guys, I think I want to end the vlog right here guys. I am done for today. Today's vlog is a wrap guys. It's a wrap. Everybody have eaten. We all eating dinner. Look at that one. Everybody have eaten dinner. Unless Abigail is there, chilling hard. Where's she? She's there, chilling hard. And Madam Alessa is there. This is the leftover soup I've cooked. We've all eaten. And stew. These are stew. I just wanted to cool down a little bit, and I'll put them inside the fridge. Okay. Then I have my ice cream. Let me go and chill out with my ice cream. I am tired. I just need a rest now. I need to eat something to cool me down. Oh, am I easy? Bear inside the supermarket. Can you imagine that?
I'm not going to say that.
It's like a Kroger supermarket. That's how Kroger look like. That's not warm up.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we've come to the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much everyone for watching our video. We really appreciate every one of you. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a video. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. For me and Abigail. Bye. Bye. Hit that like button guys.
Hit it.
And if you are watching me from Facebook page, please don't forget to follow our page, like and follow our page. We appreciate every one of you. Bye guys.
Love you. Bye.
I'm still eating my ice cream. Bye guys.